Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the past 3 weeks video, we have completed almost half of the chapter linear equation in two variables. Now we are left with remaining 50% of the chapter. Previously, we have understood how to geometrically represent a system of simultaneous linear equation in two variables and to draw our conclusions for whether it is going to be having a consistent solution or inconsistent solution. And also we understood what it means if we are talking about consistency and inconsistency algebraically. So just to recap a bit, so algebraically it meant that if the coefficients of the linear equation had this relationship where a1 by a2 was not equal to b1 by b2, then the system was consistent, that is, it had a real solution, and the solutions were also going to be unique or distinct. In case the system had this relationship between the coefficients, that is, where all the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 were equal, then they had real and infinite solution, that is consistent and infinite solutions. And this was the case where we had no solution, that is the system was inconsistent when a1 by a2 was equal to b1 by b2 was not equal to c1 by c2. Now why did I tell all of this is because you are going to take it as a tip that when you start solving a system of linear equations algebraically, then there are three methods. I am getting back to it later, but before you start solving it, you must also check whether for the given system this relationship holds good. If this relationship holds good, only then you get a unique solution, and you can also do it or mentally. Just check, suppose this was the equation, you just check a1 by a2 here is 1 by 3 and here b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4. So automatically you know that the ratio is not equal, and so the system will not have a unique solution, and hence you cannot find the solution algebraically. So this is one important tip you have to keep in mind in exam to save on your time. And now, before we dive into the topic further, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do, and also do not hesitate to share all my videos with your friends who can also benefit from the tutorials. And now let us get back into the topic. So today we are going to do algebraic methods, one of the method of solving a pair of linear equations. So the three methods are, the first one is substitution method, the second one is elimination method, and the third one is cross multiplication method. Now today we are going to take up the first method. So for this I am going to take up the first question from the exercise 3.3 of the book, which is a very simple example, and it's always easier to understand a concept initially taking a simpler numerical example. So the question, exercise 3.3, question number 1. So we'll take one example and try to understand the concept of substitution method. So the first part of the exercise question is the system of two linear equations are x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. So let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Now, as the name of the method suggests, substitution, so what we are going to do is, from one of the two equations, we are going to take a value of x or y in terms of x or y, and then substitute that value in the other equation. And I always say it as a tip that for doing this, always take the simpler equation or the equation has smaller values. So in this case, of course, both the equations are very simple, so we can take any one of them. So I'll take the first one. So from the first equation, from equation 1, we get x plus y is equal to 14, or if I just want to find the value of x here in terms of y, then 14 minus y. And now I'm going to substitute this value of x from equation 1 in equation 2. Now putting x equal to 14 minus y in equation 2, we get, so x will become 14 minus y, so we get 14 minus y plus minus y is equal to 4. So here we just have the variable y, so by just transposing the values we can find the value of y. So 14 minus y is minus 2y is equal to 4, or minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, or minus 2y is equal to minus of 10, or y is equal to minus cancelled is equal to 5, that is 10 by 2. So y comes out to be 5, and now this value of y we can substitute in any, again we are going to substitute this value of y in any one of the two equations. So I find the second equation simpler, so I'll take the second equation. So putting, you can write again, putting y equal to 5 in equation 2, we get x minus 5 is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9. So now by the method of substitution we have got both the values of x and y. Therefore the unique solution which we got is x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. So you can clearly visualize it on your graph. In that case, what happens is that the two intersecting lines are meeting at a common point, that is where x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Therefore the solution of the system is x, y equal to 9, 5. So this will be your final statement. And with this we have understood the concept of substitution method for the algebraic solution of a system of linear equations. I hope the video was useful and you were able to understand the concept well, and now you're ready to solve the questions of the next exercise, that is exercise 3.3. So all of these questions you have to attempt using the method of substitution. You also have from in the third question many word problems. All of these word problems, you first frame the equation, the system of linear equation, and then you use substitution method only to solve it, so that you have practiced enough of the method and you are confident about this particular method of solving a system of linear equation algebraically. In the next class, we are going to take up the next method of algebraic solution, that is elimination method. And till that time, keep watching my tutorials. All the previous ones I have already completed the first two chapters, and this is the third chapter going on. Again, I repeat, in case you found this video useful, please share it with your friends, give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the bell notification icon, because that will keep you updated with all my upcoming videos and the latest videos. You can follow me on Instagram Until next time, bye. Enjoy the beauty of mathematics.